So this morning I'm actually 14 kilometers southeast from Krakow itself. It only took me about 25 minutes to get here on a train. Behind me here is the Wieliczka salt mines. I probably butchered that name. Now what's so amazing about this particular mine, there's over 300 kilometers of tunnels dug in here. It varies in between 64 and 135 meters below ground. Today I'm gonna go on a guided tour. That's only about 2 kilometers total of the trip. So let's go check it out. The elevator out of here. 16 in here?
16?
No.
Slim down.
Well, they really cram you in there, I'll tell you that much. My first bus ride in Krakow was a bit sketchy. I didn't realize there's a machine in the back of the bus, so I was riding it for a chunk without paying. Now it's time for the last part of my trip. The Schindler factory. A long line to get in here. Finished Schindler factory. I don't think I rated too high, to be honest with you. I was actually hoping I could see a lot of the factory floor and all that where the work was done, but there's none of that really. The only two unique things are you got to see the typewriter, you got to see Oskar Schindler's desk and area. Other than that, it just explains the whole history, which is basically important, but it's something I actually saw yesterday in the museum. Too many people here, too many lines. Give it like 6, 5.5 out of 10. I don't think you'd have to go, to be honest with you, if you're in Krakow. I'd go see the other museum instead. That was a lot more enjoyable. Cheers. Welcome to Artefakt Cafe. This is in the hip area of Kazimierz. It is known for one thing, and that's beer.
This is wheat beer from Krakow brewery.
Okay.
Brokracja, in style of German wheat beers. Very, very good. Very.
Sure, let's try that one. Let's keep it local. It's also got a cool ambience. There's a giant bookshelf behind me. There's Art Deco in the other room. There's stacks of books everywhere. If you want a nice low-key place to chill out for a while, some good brews, I definitely recommend come here. Or come here later in the night, have some drinks before you head on out. This is a good spot to check out. Great hood, great people, great drinks. That's it for Artefakt Cafe. Next joint, Ambasada Cafe. They're known for pioneering vodka with herring. I'm not a big fish guy, especially a cold fish guy. The only cold fish I really like is tuna, and this is most definitely not tuna. So I'm gonna see how this one goes, but come join me, let's go. So, self-service. It's very herring themed here, as you can see on the wall. I've got a vodka shot there, and I got a herring that she's preparing right now. I got herring in oil, which is supposed to be more traditional. This one does not look clear vodka, but that's okay. This one's meant to be herbal, and she recommends it's more traditional. Don't know if she's trying to upsell me or what. But the problem is all the vodkas they have up in the bar right now, if you can see, are mainly flavored vodkas. They don't really have straight vodkas anymore. I'll admit I'm a bit worried, judging by how thick the herring is. I thought it was gonna be super thin. Cheers to vodka and herring. Oh, this does not look that appetizing. Oh, oh, that's very herbal. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this mix at all. I don't know how it's the least bit appetizing. Look how big this herring I got is. Ugh, this is not appealing in the least. I am tapping out on this after 1.5 herring. I cannot deal with that. The texture, the temperature, the taste, all is unappetizing to me. I am not gonna finish mine. That's Ambasada Sledza. I don't think I'd recommend trying that traditional dish. There's a reason why some traditions die out. Now I am off to a proper Polish food joint. Next stop, Doroty. Let's give this one a go. Oh, there's the Polish dumpling with goulash on top. Oh, the aftertaste on those. Amazing. And there's even meat tucked in between the two slices. Don't forget the warka. This is a good selection. Definitely a good choice. The Doroty restaurant, oh my gosh, the Polish pancakes with the goulash on top, so good. That's probably the best dish I've had in all of Poland so far. That was delicious. If you want like a mid-sized meal, that's the place to go.